Best face mask for acne scars. 5D Nutmeg Mask to reduce acne scars. Acne is one of the most annoying and skin-damaging issues everyone faces due to greasy and oiliness of the skin. Especially women having extremely oily skin constantly get affected with this skin impairment. In summers, the skin gets greasier and can invite issues like dirt, patchiness, acne and pimples. Within some days, your acne would fade away, but the scars it leaves behind are very tough to battle. The acne scars are very hectic and stubborn, which requires a lot of care and regular pampering for getting treated. The acne scars can be lightened using a cool and soothing ingredient called nutmeg, a wonder ingredient in the beauty secret world which can get numerous and stunning benefits. Called nutmeg is quite an underrated ingredient. However, we have a cool list of nutmeg masks which would keep you stunned and want this ingredient now. Here are some promising nutmeg masks for fighting acne scars you would love. Number 1. Nutmeg, honey, lemon juice and cinnamon mask. For fighting the acne scars this season, try out the products available in the market and use this widely preferred mask which would never fail to get you some miraculous results. Nutmeg is a cool ingredient which would get you some magical impacts on the acne scars. Honey and lemon juice would simply make your skin ultra smooth and glorious, and with cinnamon, your skin would get tighter and glorious. Apply this refreshing and stunning mask once a week to fight the acne scars soon. We love this cool mask which gives some promising and nourishing results on the skin while fighting acne scars. Number 2. Nutmeg and apple cider vinegar mask. Apple cider vinegar is widely used in the masks to fight acne. For the acne marks and scars too, it would work with some amazing impacts and make your skin shine. Apply this cool mask prepared from apple cider vinegar, nutmeg, baking soda and honey, and apply these nourishing ingredients on your skin. Along with fighting the acne scars, this mask would pamper your skin amazingly. Number 3. Coconut milk and nutmeg. Coconut milk is a stunning nourishing agent which can make the skin super glorious and nourished. You can mix the coconut, milk and nutmeg and apply the soothing mask on your skin. If you have dark and unmanageable acne scars, you can use this flawless remedy daily to fight these tough scars and get cool results. Try this amazing mask with the richness of coconut milk and nutmeg and you would love the clear glow on your face. Number 4. Lentil powder and nutmeg mask. Lentils and nutmeg are the stunning ingredients and make a perfect blend which can get you flawless results over acne and their marks. Apply the powder and mask of these two ingredients and you would simply get dazzling results in no time. Mix the lentil powder, nutmeg and water, and apply this rejuvenating and skin-friendly mask on your face. Get some awesome compliments and gorgeous skin with this mask. Number 5. Nutmeg, saffron, rose water. Saffron strands are awesome, and with nutmeg and rose water, you can get a gorgeous mask which would simply refresh and revitalize your skin. Mix these ingredients and apply the soothing mask on your face. For fighting skin issues like acne, scars, pimples and such skin conditions, you can use this flawless mask and get rid of various skin impairments. This is one of the iconic and satisfying masks which would get you adorable results within a few applications.